Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 24th of June, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: pound dollar, EURUSD, and the dollar CAD. All right, so EURUSD, if you look at the 4-hour, to be honest, today I was expecting price might going to break this bearish flag pattern, but price did not break on this support level. But what I can see right now is, if you look at here, the price is developed interesting head and shoulder pattern, right? So that's the promising sign. So let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break this level, then we can validate this bearish flag pattern and we're going to be keep enjoying pullback. If the price is going to break this resistance, then we're going to be keep taking a long trade here. But technically, mainly we are focused at the moment. We are thinking that price might going to break this bearish flag pattern. But let's see tomorrow, guys. As I said to you guys, we don't put our thought process in trading. We trade what we see. It's simple. So today in intraday analysis, we had only one short trade here. We can see here the price developed a bearish flag pattern. Also, the price broke on this level and we were expecting this pullback short. Let me share with you the intraday analysis I did today. Okay, so this is the analysis I did last night at the Asian session. And because as you can see in 4-hour, we had a bearish flag pattern. We're expecting short trade here, but we need a valid technical entry. As you can see here, the price broke on this level and could not maintain and break. And after the break, we need a confirmation. That's what exactly we're looking here. Even if you look at here, price developed another bearish flag pattern. So we were, expecting a short trade here, and that's the level we were interested. If the price gonna break, then long, otherwise short. As you can see here, price developed a short trade here. Beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to move your stop loss at the break even or consider banking some pips. And most of the traders, they're still holding short. Good luck and I'll see you tomorrow, guys, how they did. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, we were expecting some nice big moves because we had a high impact news this morning. So if you look at the 4-hour right now, and this wedge has been broken, and sort of like you can see here another bearish flag pattern. As always, we look at in depth price pattern, and if you look at the here, more or less the same pattern. You can see here head and shoulder pattern is developed. So let's see, price already broke on this one. So tomorrow, if the price is going to respect, expecting another short trade here, and if the price is going to break this one, then long, then the target this one, otherwise the target this one. But as I said to you guys, we are intraday. We refine all these entries in intraday system. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me show you today's analysis, how we did. Overall, the market reaction was consolidation today. We haven't seen any big moves at all, but we squeezed few pips. So as you can see here, this is the analysis. London morning session, we had a consolidation breakout. In 4-hour, this was because the price was at the support level. We were expecting the price might gonna break this one, so we can squeeze few more pips. But after that, price came back here, develop a consolidation. That's what we explained to trader guys. Just wait for that news to be released, and after the news, as I said to you guys, we don't trade in the news, but we trade news reaction. And that's what I explained to my trader. As soon as the news release, we can see a nice sharp break, price broke on the support level. And that's what I explained to my trader guys. Look for pullback if the price is going to touch this orange EMA. So we're going to be taking a pullback. So you can see after the news break, we had a beautiful pullback short trade here, bank beautiful pips. And just before the medium impact news for the dollar, we explained to traders guys, it's time to bank some profit because the price was at this support level in 4-hour. As you can see here, this was the previously price respected. So we bank few pips, and afterwards, as always, as I mentioned you guys, we have the major structure broken here. So looking for pullback. You can see here I did another analysis at the New York session. You can see here this was the analysis. So to explain to trader, look for pullback because we can see here price develop a double top here, and technically if you look at head and shoulder pattern, so we were mainly interested in a short trade pullback. That's the level, and that's what we explain. As you can see here, as soon as the price develop a wedge broken, beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, again explain to trader it's time to enjoy pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade on pound dollar. All right, so we'll let you know tomorrow, guys, and let's see on the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. We were expecting a long trade here. As you can see in 4 hour, the price respected yesterday. We were long. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So we were expecting, you can see here, this is the level. We were expecting a pullback, which price nicely developed a pullback in intraday. We had a nice long trade here. All right, so right now, if you look at here, the price has broken this trend resistance line. If the price gonna stay above that, I'm still expecting nice pullback tomorrow. Let's see. And if the price is going to break this one, then pull back short. That's what we're going to be looking tomorrow. And if you look at here, again, beautiful inverted head and shoulder pattern is developed. That's the good sign, but we'll let you know tomorrow if the price is going to break. That's going to give us the confirmation. All right, so let me share with you today's analysis, how we did today. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this is the analysis. This is the analysis we had yesterday long. Today, as you can see, this was in the morning. I explained to trader, look for pullback. This is the level, any pullback. So we had this beautiful, you can see here, price nicely respected as mentioned in the analysis. Pullback long. When the price develop a head and shoulder pattern in intraday, that's what I explained to trader. I updated that analysis at the New York session. You can see here. So guys, look for this breakout and enjoy. You can see here, head and shoulder pattern, price nicely broken, and the best thing is we had the confirmation after the breakout, price nicely retest, shoot up. As soon as the price hit to the first target at this level, you can see in 4 hour, then we explained to trader, guys, enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. All right, guys, so I'll let you know tomorrow about the dollar CAD, how we're going to trade. But as I said to you, we are intraday, so we'll let you know tomorrow. So overall, the market reaction was consolidation. We had a good trade on pound yen too. Let me explain to you. And this was the trade. We had a short trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely respected. We had a short trade on pullback. Beautiful. Right now, you can see here the price respecting here. So we'll see tomorrow. I'll let you know. Overall, you can see here inside candle pattern in decision mode. We'll let you know tomorrow about the pound yen and the rest of the pair. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. The most important thing is, guys, you should be watching all that analysis in the real time and banking pips in the real time and developing your trading skill in real time. That's my main key objective, to help traders to develop their trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And if you develop your trading skill, you show us making pips, definitely we can help you to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform, and feel free to book a free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, guys, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.